Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for the day Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode of my vlog, we will actually go to one of the best and tourist destination here in Dubai. Wow. And before that, please, if you're new in my channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be updated of all of my vlogs. But for now, keep on watching and see where we're going. The big question is how you will go here to Dubai Frame. It's so easy. For public transportation, you just have to locate Zavil Park. So you have to take metro station, red line, Jaffilia Metro, and then proceed to gate 4 of Zavil Park. Buy your tickets, or you can also purchase it online, and that's it. As easy as that. Now let's go and check the Dubai Frame. Hey guys, so we're here officially in Dubai Frame. This frame is actually open last January 2018, and we already have ticket that cost 52 dirhams and 50 fils. Come on, let's check out the place. Hey guys, so we're here already on top of the Dubai frame, which is 150 meters high and 500 whatsoever. Here's the old Dubai. Are you ready to see the new Dubai? Check it out. Come on, let's walk and see how high we are here in Dubai frame. Check it out. We're confident and we're gonna do it again. So, nandito na kami. Naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa ng Dubai frame. Ayan. Walang pakialam sa ibang tao. Lahat sila dito rin naglalakad. 150 meters high in a glass frame bridge. So, anong feeling? Nakakatakot daw pero exciting siya. Let's go! Sugod mga kapatid. Nandito tayo sa pinaka-final walk ng Dubai Frame Bridge. I think kaya naman niya lahat. Nalulula ka pa din? Ito na yung last branch ng frame. Wala kang maramdaman kahit anong uga. Napaka-stabilize niya, so I think it's safe. Pero I think may certain people lang na pwedeng pumunta dito, diba? May number of people, I think 150 to 250, and then per batch siya. So, one last look before tayo bumaba. Alright guys, so that's it for now. I hope you enjoy my tour with you here at Dubai Frame. And let's see other places next time. Ciao!
So you can keep me inside the